Good morning again, and welcome to the channel. The name goes the channel goes by Highways, and today I've brought you to the Broadway here in Manchester. We did part of it, and the east, the west side. So we're going to do the east side today to complete that recording that we did not complete on that day. So welcome and enjoy this adventure here with me. It's a bit noisy as usual because there's a lot of traffic, so we'll see how it goes, but I believe it's gonna be fine, just like usual. So accompany me, and if it's your first time, please try to stick here and see what we do, and hopefully you're going to enjoy the content that I'm bringing to you guys. All right, so here we go. So Broad Street is going to begin right at this junction, and we are going to walk all the way down to explore this area. So this area of town is famously known as the Chadderton, and you can see it from the signpost there, and it goes all the way down, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, at the end of it is Failsworth, which is another neighbourhood that we're going to do we're going to do try and do very soon. It's a beautiful boulevard, and this is just about, I would say, 15 minutes from the town center. It's a beautiful neighborhood, beautiful and quiet. There's Chadderton up there, and then down here, this will be New Moston. So they are pretty much close to each other. So we've got New Moston here, and then on that side up there is Chadderton, and then farther down would be the Failsworth. So on average in these type of neighborhoods, this would be classed as very good, and houses, and also the size of the houses are quite considerable. The spring is here as well. As you can see, the boulevard is covered with flowers now. Whoa, that was a big one. The streets are covered with flowers now, though the trees, but that was noisy. Yeah, though the streets, the trees are still like that. We're waiting in earnest, so I believe maybe in about a month or so they're going to be green and with full of life. So yeah, we can't wait. small hotel here called the Fairway Inn, where I know definitely you can have good pint food and also for those who are looking for rooms. And then this one is the new Moston community. It's a library here in this neighborhood. Nice because it's complete with its car park here, though they've got the cameras and a payment system on site, so if you want to use that car park, then you do have to pay for it. So at the end of the Broadway, there's a beautiful park as well, which is actually very cute during the spring and the summer. And we're going to try and walk all the way down and see if we can see it. I love this neighborhood. As I say, the houses are a bit bigger than what is the norm in many other Manchester neighborhoods, and more so these ones which are close to the town centre, except for probably places like Moston, which is even closer. But the houses there also, some of them are, it depends on which ones actually, or which side of Moston. Some of them are pretty old houses, and but these ones here, they're nice, and it's a quiet neighborhood, as you can see. We've not seen so many people. I mean, kids are on holidays for their spring break, and you know, people have gone on holidays because of that. So I guess that's why it's a bit quiet. But on average, it is a very quiet neighborhood. So we are still on Broadway, and here would be the end of New Moston as we jump into Failsworth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk a bit more to the end, and then we're going to probably call it a day. Just want to explore a bit here and see, you know, like get a feeling of what this neighborhood looks like. So that's the Moston Brook Park, and we are in Failsworth. Beautiful houses here, beautiful. So now if we went in there, that is the Memorial Park here in Failsworth, and this section, as I said, is Failsworth, but this Failsworth is not a small neighborhood, it's quite big. So this is the lower part of Failsworth, and then it will go all the way down that side as well. So that will be the Memorial Park. It's a beautiful park, and it's got amenities right down here, because you can see they've got, the lawns are well kept. You can see the old guys there playing some games, and then there's a basketball court at the end. Pretty beautiful. I'm impressed. So I'm gonna be coming back here to do a video of this park, so that I can share this area with you. And let me just turn the camera around so that you can get to see what the entire park probably looks like, and I hope it's going to be worth the visit. But over and above, just from the entrance, I've gotten a good impression. It looks like it's been it's taken care of. So these lawns here are actually a bowling green, and that's what they're playing down there. I think in Spain they had something similar, but we didn't play it on the lawns. It was done on, like a sandy pitch, and they used to call it La Petanca. If anyone can correct me, but I think that's what it was, the La Petanca. And they were silver balls, very heavy, and it was popular with the elderly people. Anyways, it's been a massive pleasure. If you've followed or you were sticking around to this end of this video. As usual, to my subscribers, a massive thank you, and to the people who have just found this channel for the first time, thank you so much for sticking around. Welcome to Hajj Ways. Subscribe to the channel, please, and then watch the videos, share them, and with family and friends, so that you can help us with this channel to grow, and so that we can get the desired end result. It's been a wonderful day. It's the weather is funny. It's been sunny and then raining. Today we are expecting rains as well, so I said, when I saw that there was a possibility I could come out and do some recording, I said, why not? I'm going to go and do something. And well, this is what we have achieved today. So thank you very much for your help, and see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.